everyone, and welcome back to Chill English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sophia.
Hello, Sophia. Hello to all our listeners. It's so nice to have you with us today.
It really is. How are you feeling this morning, Jake?
I'm feeling good, thanks. I had a light breakfast and some tea. It really helped me wake up.
A good start is always important, and I'm feeling great too. Today's topic is one I think everyone will benefit from.
I'm curious, what are we talking about?
We're talking about mornings, how to start your day in a productive and positive way.
A productive morning? That sounds interesting. What does that really mean?
Good question. Being productive in the morning means using your time in a way that helps you feel awake, focused, and happy. It's not about doing a lot. It's about feeling ready for the day.
Oh, I get it. So a productive morning is when I feel prepared and energized.
Exactly. And small habits can make a huge difference. Even simple things like drinking water or moving your body.
Sometimes my mornings are slow. I feel tired and my bed is too warm.
I know that feeling, but there are small, easy habits that can make your mornings smoother and more enjoyable.
Easy habits? I like the sound of that.
Yes, that's why we're talking about a morning routine, a simple plan of steps you can do every day.
A routine? What does that mean exactly?
A routine is a set of actions you do regularly. For mornings, it helps you wake up with energy and focus.
Ah, a plan for my morning. That makes sense. I want to learn.
Great! Before we dive in, a quick note for our listeners. If you're enjoying this episode, please click the like button. It really helps us.
And don't forget to subscribe to Chill English channel. It's free, and you'll get all our new episodes.
Yes, and share this episode with your friends. Maybe someone you know wants better mornings too.
Thank you, everyone. Your support really makes us happy.
Okay, Jake, let's start. What's the first thing you usually do when you wake up?
I usually drink coffee first. It wakes me up quickly.
That's very common, but there's something even more important to do first.
Really? What's that?
Water. A big glass of water as soon as you wake up.
Water? Even before coffee?
Yes. While you sleep, your body loses water. Drinking water right away helps your brain and body wake up. It also helps you think clearly.
Oh, so water is like fuel for my brain.
Exactly. And it's such an easy step.
Okay, water first, then coffee. That's simple.
Step 2 is movement. You don't need a gym. Stretching, walking, or dancing for 5 to 10 minutes is enough.
Dance? That sounds fun.
Yes, moving your body wakes up both your muscles and your mind.
I like that. Step 1, water. Step 2, move.
Then there's step 3, focus time. A few quiet minutes to think, plan, or study.
Focus time? No phone, no messages? That's hard, but I want to try.
Yes, it can feel hard at first, but it helps your brain prepare for the day. You can write down goals, read, or meditate.
So focus time helps me feel calm and ready.
Exactly. Your body has energy, your brain is awake, and your mind is prepared.
I like that. Step 3, focus time. I could write 1 or 2 important tasks for today.
Perfect. You could also read something inspiring or learn a few English words.
So, step 1, water. Step 2, move. Step 3, focus time. That's doable.
Yes, and you can adjust these steps to your own mornings.
I like it. I already feel motivated.
With small habits like these, mornings can feel easier, calmer, and more energizing.
Yes, I see that. I think our listeners will enjoy trying this too.
Absolutely. And there are more ways to make mornings productive and fun while staying relaxed.
I'm curious to try them all.
Little steps can make a big difference every day.
I'm ready to get started.
And we can explore practical tips, examples, and ways to make this routine easy for everyone.
Yes, I think it'll help a lot of people.
Let's continue by looking at each step in more detail.
Okay, first water, then movement, then focus time. But how exactly do we do focus time effectively?
Great question. Focus time is your chance to start the day with clarity. You can write tasks, plan your day, meditate, or read. Even just a few minutes makes a difference.
Writing tasks sounds useful, like finishing homework or cleaning my room.
Exactly. Even one or two important tasks helps your brain feel calm and organized.
That makes sense. And reading too?
Yes, reading something inspiring or educational is perfect. Even 5 minutes wakes up your mind.
Oh, so focus time isn't just planning. It can be planning, reading, or quiet thinking.
Exactly. And no phone or notifications during that time.
That's hard. I usually check my phone first thing.
Many people do, but waiting just a little helps your mind stay calm. You control your morning, not your phone.
Okay, I can try. No phone for 15 to 30 minutes. That's doable.
And during that time, you can also study, like learning English.
Oh, that's perfect. I could learn a few words or listen to a short podcast.
Yes, little by little, your English will improve. Consistency is the key.
Step 3. Focus time with planning, reading, or studying. I like that.
Exactly. Now let's talk more about movement.
Dancing sounds fun. I could put on a happy song and move around for 10 minutes.
Yes, moving your body gives energy and happiness. Even 5 minutes of stretching makes a difference.
Water, movement, focus time. That's simple, but really useful.
Yes, and you can adjust it to your own schedule. Flexibility is important.
Okay, Sophia, we have water, movement, and focus time. But how do we make focus time really useful?
Great question, Jake. Focus time is your chance to start the day with clarity. You can plan your day, write down tasks, read, meditate, or just think quietly. Even a few minutes is enough to make a difference.
I think writing tasks is good. Like I need to finish homework or clean my room.
Exactly. Even one or two important tasks helps your brain feel calm. You know what needs to be done, and you're not overwhelmed.
That makes sense. And I can read a little too, right?
Absolutely. Reading something inspiring or educational is perfect. Even 5 minutes wakes up your mind and helps you focus.
Oh, so focus time isn't just planning. It can be planning, reading, or quiet thinking.
Exactly. And the important part is no phone, no messages, no notifications. Just your mind.
That's hard. I usually check my phone first thing in the morning.
I know, many people do that. But when you wait a little, your mind stays calm. You control the morning, not your phone.
Okay, I can try. No phone for the first 15 to 30 minutes. That's doable.
Yes, and during that time, you can also study. For example, learning English. You can read a few words, review grammar, or listen to a short podcast.
Oh, that's perfect. Little steps every morning.
Exactly. Consistency is the key. Even 5 or 10 minutes each morning builds over time.
Step 3 then is focus time with planning, reading, or studying. I like that.
And now let's talk more about movement. Some people like stretching, others like a short walk, and some love dancing.
Dancing sounds fun. I could put on a happy song and move around for 10 minutes.
Yes, movement wakes up your body and your brain. It gives you energy and it helps you feel happy.
I sometimes feel slow and sleepy in the morning. Would movement help?
Definitely. Even 5 minutes of stretching can remove sluggishness and make you feel awake.
Wow! So water, movement, and focus time. That's a simple plan, but very useful.
And the great thing is, it's flexible. You can wake up a little earlier or later and adjust the steps as needed.
Speaking of waking up, what's a good time to start the morning?
It depends on your schedule, but you should wake up with enough time before your first task. Don't rush.
I see. So maybe 6 or 6:30 a.m. for me. I have school at 7:30.
Perfect. And even 10 or 15 minutes for water and movement makes a big difference.
I like it. Water, move a bit, then focus time.
Exactly. And you can make it fun. For example, play a happy song while stretching or dancing.
Oh, yes. Music makes everything easier.
And during focus time, you can do small exercises for your mind, too, like learning a few new words or reviewing English grammar.
That sounds good. 5 or 10 minutes every morning is enough.
Yes, and if you do it every day, your English will improve quickly. Small daily steps are powerful.
Maybe I can combine focus time with quiet thinking. Just sit and breathe for a few minutes.
Perfect. Meditation or quiet time helps your mind feel calm and ready.
I like that. So water, movement, focus time with planning, reading, studying, or meditation. I like it.
Exactly. And remember, you can adjust everything for yourself. You don't have to do all the steps the same way every day.
Oh, that's good to know. I can make my morning my own routine.
Yes, when you feel calm and ready in the morning, the rest of the day is easier, happier, and more energetic.
I see. A good morning sets the mood for the whole day.
Exactly. Even small changes like drinking water first or dancing for 10 minutes make a big difference.
I like that. I think listeners will try this too.
Yes, and breakfast also matters. A small, healthy breakfast helps your body and brain.
Oh, like fruit, eggs, or oatmeal?
Yes, something simple and nutritious. It gives energy without feeling heavy.
I sometimes skip breakfast. Maybe I shouldn't.
Skipping breakfast is common, but even a small snack helps your morning routine.
Okay, I'll try it. Water, move, focus, and breakfast. That sounds like a strong morning.
Yes, and remember, mornings are about setting the tone. Calm, happy, and focused.
I understand now. It's not about rushing, it's about building good habits.
Exactly. You can also make it fun. Music, reading, dancing, anything that makes you feel good.
I like that idea. Little changes can make a big difference.
And that's the beauty of a productive morning. Simple steps give you energy and confidence.
Yes, I feel motivated already.
When you combine these steps, you create a routine that works every day.
I like that. It feels easy and practical.
And it doesn't need to be perfect. Even 5 minutes for each step is better than nothing.
Yes, that's encouraging. Sometimes I worry about waking up too early, but now I see it's flexible.
Exactly. You can start small and build your routine gradually.
I like that. It feels possible.
With consistent practice, your mornings will feel natural, calm, and productive.
Yes, and I can include English learning in focus time. That's perfect.
Exactly. A few minutes each morning makes a big difference over time.
That's a solid plan.
Yes, each step supports the others. Your brain wakes up, your body moves, your mind is calm, and you're ready for the day.
I like that. It feels easy and achievable.
And it's flexible. You can adjust times, music, exercises, or reading to your preference.
That's very helpful. I can start tomorrow.
Yes, small habits build over time. Every day counts.
I see. A productive morning really can change your whole day.
Exactly. When your morning is calm and focused, the rest of the day feels easier, happier, and more energetic.
Sophia, I feel like I understand mornings much better now, but do you have any extra tips to make them even more productive?
Absolutely, Jake. One tip is to prepare a little the night before. For example, you can pick out your clothes, prepare breakfast ingredients, or write a quick list of tasks for the next day.
Oh, that's smart. It saves time in the morning and makes everything easier.
Exactly. Another tip is to keep things simple. Don't plan too many steps. Just a few small actions can make a big difference.
Yes, water, movement, focus time, breakfast, and a little preparation at night. That's easy to remember.
Yes, and you can also add a small reward after your routine, something that makes you happy. Maybe a favorite cup of coffee, a short walk outside, or listening to a song you love.
Oh, that sounds fun. A reward can make mornings enjoyable, not just productive.
Exactly. When your morning is enjoyable, you feel motivated for the rest of the day.
Positive mornings lead to positive days. I like that.
Yes, and remember, it's okay if you miss a step sometimes. The important thing is to practice regularly.
I understand. Consistency matters more than perfection.
Exactly. One more tip. Try to wake up a little earlier than you need to start your first task. Even 10-15 minutes of calm time can make a big difference.
Oh, yes. That gives me time for water, movement, and focus without rushing.
Right. Following your routine helps your energy and focus improve. You feel confident and ready for the day.
I like that. It's a small investment of time with a big reward.
Exactly, Jake. Now, let's review our steps so everyone can remember. Step 1, drink water first thing in the morning.
Step 2, move your body for a few minutes. Stretch, walk, or dance.
Step 3, focus time. Plan your day, meditate, read, or study. No phone or distractions.
Step 4, have a healthy breakfast to give your body energy.
Step 5, small preparations the night before, like clothes or ingredients.
Step 6, a little reward to make the morning enjoyable.
Yes, these 6 steps create a calm, happy, and productive morning.
I like it. Simple, practical, and easy to follow.
And the best part is you can adjust everything to your own routine. Everyone is different, so make it work for you.
That's encouraging. I can try small steps and improve over time.
Exactly. When your mornings are calm and productive, the rest of your day feels better too.
I see now. A good morning really sets the tone for everything.
Yes, and practicing for just a few days can already make a difference. You'll notice your energy, mood, and focus improving.
That's exciting. I can't wait to try it all.
We hope our listeners feel motivated too. Little changes every day make a big difference over time.
Absolutely. And mornings are a great chance to start fresh, even if yesterday was tough.
Yes, and our final tip, be kind to yourself. Don't worry if your morning isn't perfect. Just keep practicing.
That's important. Positive thinking and patience make mornings even better.
Exactly. When you feel happy and focused in the morning, the rest of your day is easier, calmer, and more productive.
I like that idea. It feels simple but powerful.
We hope our listeners try these steps tomorrow morning. Water, movement, focus, breakfast, preparation, and a little reward.
Yes, that sounds like a perfect morning routine.
And remember, you can include small English practice in focus time. Learn a few words, read a page, or listen to a short podcast.
Oh, yes. Little daily habits help both your morning and your English.
Exactly. And now, before we finish, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe to Chill English channel. It's free and you'll get all our new episodes.
Also, share this episode with your friends. Maybe they want to have a better morning too.
We'd love to hear from you. In the comments, tell us one small thing you do to make your morning productive.
Yes. Do you drink water first, dance, or read in the morning? We love reading your answers.
It's so much fun to practice English together while improving our mornings.
Absolutely. Remember, small steps every day make a big difference over time.
Thank you so much for listening. We hope these tips help you feel happier, calmer, and ready for the day.
Have a wonderful morning tomorrow and every day.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.